It is the 22nd, I think 8 days until Halloween.
Yeah, about that.
It's around 7:50-ish. Is that correct?
Yep.
There's an evil being. I got the Snackles. I love them. I have a big collection. Just flip your phone upside down so you can read this. There is a pumpkin holding candy. I'm only gonna tell y'all 3 of them, y'all can get surprised. A ghost with a pumpkin cappuccino, then a spider with a cupcake. The best part of the year of cover those. Oh! Slides right off.
Nice. I never get those good zippers.
There's another one. That's so satisfying. That's a ball. Don't do this at home.
Oh my goodness. They can't see it. They can't see it.
I want them to be surprised.
Okay.
This is adorable. Brains.
That is adorable. I'm going to hold it up a little closer.
That's adorable.
This is plastic, but everything else is squishy soft.
There's
Look at
stickers.
his hair. That is so cute.
There are some stickers. A sticker of him. A pamphlet of him. Let's read this. Zach. Animal. Zombie. You read this, Mum. His hair's already shedding.
Yeah. He's a Pisces. His hobby is scare acting. That's it. That's all it says.
And also, he's a zombie.
He's very cute.
I have 2 of these. Okay, so I have to show y'all what we can get. Boom, boom. So we got the zombie. Hopefully we don't get a dupe. I think we're either gonna get the Draco or the kitty. Or the pumpkin. Mom, we all get 3 guesses.
Okay. I say spider.
Spider, and what are you 2 others?
Ghost and kitty, or at least those are the ones I like the most.
Yeah.
Tell us, take your guess right now in the comments. What do you think will be? Get 3 guesses.
Don't fast forwards.
No cheating.
So my guess is boom, boom, and boom. Let's pour out these stickers. I'm going to do some off-camera mining. You don't understand.
Okay.
You don't play video games. Most people will, though. Why I said that's because I knew it wouldn't work. Look what happened. Fast forwards, cameraman. He's the cameraman. Okay, time for the big reveal. Oh, hallelujah. That's actually a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hallelujah. Off-camera mining. People say that when they're playing Minecraft and then they get back on with, like, all the loot.
Yes, I know what that means.
Okay, don't try this at home. Brains. Mom, who do you think is right?
You.
Ding, ding, ding. Yo, guess which one I got?
Reveal.
No, let's pretend like video's over. Bye-bye. JK. I got a Dracula. Garlic.
Oh, he is cute too, though. I guess you really couldn't go wrong with any of them because they're all very, very cute. Look at his ears. Oh, is he a monkey?
No, he's a vampire.
He's a vampire monkey?
No, he's not. He's a vampire.
We got 2 of these in one package, right, Ed? You got 2 of the little secret balls. Fantastic.
Let's read this one real quick.
This one says, animal vampire, star sign Gemini, 3rd of June is his birthday, and he likes spooky plants gardening.
He's a vampire holding garlic. I'm a young lad. I used to busk the streets. Now I have Pringles. That's all I need to live.
Look how cute this one is.
He was my first ever one. There used to be a sticker right there, but I peeled it off.
All right, what else do you have?
I'm pretty sure I got these 2 at the same time. Let's go to this one first.
Okay.
So it came starting like this and it wouldn't budge, but then it went lower and now it's horrifying. It has some drool. And this might look like plastic, but this is actual Sonic wrap.
That is so cool.
I like him better. Nope. I don't like him like that. Sorry. Bye-bye, buddy. More on this guy. I actually have no clue what that is. They probably can't use that, but most of these snacks, they probably can. This is supposed to be, what are they called? Starburst?
Starburst? Okay. Frutella.
We actually saw a toucan
Yeah,
once.
we have.
It was at a zoo.
Yes.
This isn't.
Aw, Baby Belle.
This isn't my new one, but besides the Halloween ones,
That's Baby Belle.
it's my new one.
So are they all different series? And these are Halloween series, the ones we have right back there. And these are food series.
I'm pretty sure these two are the same series.
These two are one series, but this isn't part of that same series?
I think it might be.
Do you think all 4 of these are the same series?
These two might. I don't really know, but I know those two are definitely the same series.
Okay.
And probably these two, but I don't know about this one. This one's one of my favorites. He's so cute.
Very cute.
Goodbye, and if you don't subscribe, he'll do this to you.
Brains.